This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your fish grow faster. To begin, focus on their diet, offering nutrient-rich foods that support rapid development. Next, consistently monitor and adjust water quality, as pristine conditions are crucial for their well-being. Finally, ensure your fish have ample space to swim and grow, as overcrowding can significantly hinder their progress. These foundational steps are essential for promoting robust growth. For optimal growth, feed your fish small portions several times a day rather than one large meal. This approach aids digestion and nutrient absorption. Select a high-quality fish food, such as pellets or flakes, with a protein content of at least 40%. Additionally, incorporate live or frozen foods like brine shrimp or bloodworms a few times a week to provide essential vitamins and minerals, boosting their overall health and growth rate. Maintaining excellent water quality is paramount for rapid fish growth. Conduct partial water changes of about 25% weekly to remove nitrates and replenish essential minerals. Keep the water temperature stable within their ideal range, often between 75 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, as consistent warmth supports metabolism. A robust filtration system is also vital to keep the water clean and well oxygenated, reducing stress and promoting healthy development. Reducing stress is key to encouraging faster growth in your fish. Ensure your tank has plenty of hiding spots, like plants or decorations, so they feel secure. Avoid overstocking, as too many fish can lead to competition for food and territory, stunting their development. Remember, a calm environment helps them thrive. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.